Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen. I'm going to show you what altcoins I'm buying and my thoughts on the markets when it comes to stocks and cryptos. If you don't know who I am, my name is James. I've been investing for 20 years. I started off in Forex stocks and mining crypto in 2012. I've been making daily videos for over 2 years, 2 videos a day, showing what I do with my money, and now have a huge following, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, and don't forget, if you comment down below you're subscribed and you hit the thumbs up button on every video, my team is going to pick 5 winners every month for $200 US. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. The market had, the overall market, stock market doing pretty well yesterday. Bitcoin and crypto is pulling back a little bit. Luna down 17% today, beyond after pumping 100% yesterday. Beyond down 7%, the stock Wise 3%. So stock market holding around stable. Bitcoin sitting at 31,500 after that big movement up. It's back. It's still above that blue range that we were in for a long time. And when we're looking on the daily, it does look like a bottoming formation here. We had back here in 2021, we had at 29k, then we had that movement to 69, then we came down, bounced in this channel for a while, then we broke down, and then we've been in this channel for a while. Now, a lot of volume. We've had almost all-time high volume here, and that's usually a good sign. Volume predicts price, and it's normally, if it was dropping and the volume was getting bigger, that would be dangerous, but it's actually been holding here with increasing volume and quite a lot of buy volume recently. It was channeling between these blue trend lines, 28,000 to 31,000 for a while, for over a month, and then we had that breakout of this descending triangle. Now what I'm seeing here is let's go into the 4-hour and you can see it more clearly. We have a cup and handle formation forming here. You can see it here. We've got a cup. So I'll get rid of this previous trend lines that we broke through already. We have a cup and handle formation. So we've got a big one. Here is a cup and a handle forming. It can pull back to 30,600 before the bounce. And if that plays out, that's a huge cup and handle that could be taking us all the way to the base of the cup here. We could be getting a movement to around 34,000. So that's a really good sign. It's building pressure here, and it keeps doing it's bull flagging, but the stochastic is overbought and heading down. So I am expecting that we'll pull back to that upper end of that blue channel at 30,600. Stochastic is heading down. RSI is overbought, heading down. Squeeze mob is going to the red side down on the 4-hourly. So I do expect a little bit of a pullback, but it is holding pretty well. And if you saw my buy order yesterday, this is the same trade that I would be taking. When Bitcoin pulls back to 30,600, stop loss at 28,600, take profit at 35,000. It's a nice risk to reward ratio trade. Risking $674 to make $4,400 unleveraged. With 10x leverage, it'll be $44,000 of profits. Right now, we're sitting on the daily and the monthly resistance. But it is creating a bull flag here, so I wouldn't be shorting too much because we had a bull flag here and now another bull flag. This is bullish kind of pattern, but I do expect it pulls back to 30,600, and then we need to see a bounce with volume, and then the target will be $35,000 on this Bitcoin trade. On the hourly, stochastic is oversold. RSI is heading down, so we've got more of a drop towards that 30,600 is my prediction. I'm going to show you where I would open my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment down below, make sure you hit this thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes on this video. Hit the subscribe button, click the join button to see my live trades in Bitcoin, stocks, cryptos, altcoins. You get notified by YouTube when I trade. And on ByBit, if you sign up using this ByBit link, you get a $4,600 US sign up bonus when you sign up using ByBit. If you don't use this link, you only get $400. You can take the crypto masterclass with 600 students and join me on Twitter, Instagram, etc. Over on ByBit, I have in this account $209,000. It's 2 days ago it was 203,000, went up to 220,000 yesterday, now sitting at 209,000, so still up 6,000 in a few days. I've got USDT, Bitcoin, BUSD, so around 100,000 in USD. I've got 1.5 Bitcoin, $47,000 worth. I've got Luna, $21,000 worth, up down 14% today. I've got BIT, $19,000 worth, and I've got CRV, $5,000 worth. I've got some orders for Luna to sell at $40, CRV at $1.20 to buy more, Luna to buy at $4. Let's get rid of this $1 because I'm likely to come there, and Bitcoin to buy at 28,000. And I've got a Bitcoin trade open, the one that I was showing you right now. This trade is already set. It hasn't executed. This is the trade that I'm talking about. It will open at 30,600. The stop loss will be at 29,900, and the take profit will be at 35,000. And this is the trade that's set here. Take profit 35,000. Trade opens at 30,600. Stop loss at 29,600. It's a 1.62 ratio trade. It's a 1.6 Bitcoin trade, so around a $5,000 trade. I will actually add more to this trade because if Bitcoin does this, it will bounce quite strongly off there. So 30,600, I will add another $1,000 there on this trade. Buy long at 30,600 will only open. So that trade is now set. 2 orders at that price for that bounce. That's what I'm doing in the markets. Over on Binance, I have $385,000 in here. Which is beautiful. I've got BUSD 136,000, BUSD, USDT 134,000, so around $300,000. I've got 2 Bitcoin in here, $63,000, and I've got $50,000 of BNB. And I've got some trades for BNB and Bitcoin. That's my trades. My thoughts on the market is Bitcoin is going to pull back a little bit, and then we're going to get that bounce off the 30,600. If that does that with a lot of volume and very strong, this will be epic. I'm currently in Cannes, in beautiful Cannes, where the film festival was in France. I might be going on a mega super yacht, like a crazy one. I'm going to let you know in the next few days. It might be tomorrow. I can't wait to show you. Make sure you subscribe to watch it. It's one of the biggest super yachts in the world. And let's see what else we've got. So again, subscribing and following on ByBit, you get that bonus. This is my new, I've got a lot of channels, maybe you don't know, but in different languages now. So if you have your native language.
Вот знаете, что я сделал несколько тысяч долларов, это неплохо.
سأذهب إلى الأف1 اليوم، لذا تأكدوا من متابعتي على الانستغرام. الرابط أسفل الفيديو.
거기까지 떨어질 가능성도 열어두고 있는 거기 때문에 그냥 주문만 넣어놓은 상황입니다.
Ben Forex'te teknik analiz yapıyordum. Ondan sonra Bitcoin mining'e başladım.
Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. So the links for those other channels are in the description. This is MCRT. MCRT is using Morales APIs from Ivan on Tech, and Ivan on Tech messaging back, which is amazing. This is one of the screens from MCRT. You got to check it out. It's a play-to-earn game that's coming. Optimism gets listed on ByBit today. Optimism OP will be the ticket. It's getting listed on ByBit today. Make sure you use that link for ByBit in the description, where you get that $4,800 bonus. Actually, if you don't use the link, only $400 bonus. Yes, I'm into NFTs. No female text me. No. These are the new swords and weapons coming for MCRT. They will also be NFTs and in the game items. Hello buddy, always thumbs up your video. You're the guru and GOAT, greatest of all time. Enjoy Monaco. Thank you, and Leonard. The way you explain is truly motivating and very helpful. Thank you SA. Best TA out there. I love that I found this channel through MCRT. Thank you, Refno. These are some just random beautiful Rolls Royces in Cairns. Yeah, that's the main news. That's what's happening in the markets. You're the man. Love the crypto course. Thank you, Joey. Best subscription of the year by far. Thanks for what you do. Those are my thoughts on the market. That's what I'm doing with my money. I'm starting to also buy stocks and cryptos down here, but as you see, I'm still mostly in US dollars. So I'm just slowly laddering in, and I've got millions that I'm slowly laddering into Bitcoin and stocks. I like Facebook. I like Coinbase. I like TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturer. I like Qualcomm. I like Bitcoin, CRV, ByBit, MCRT. These are the ones that I'm starting to stack and buy down here. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. Thank you all. You're an amazing community, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.